Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download MySQL Server into your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you just simply go for your favorite browser and then going to search for MySQL, and then if you click on MySQL download, you will get this website from www.mysql.com. You just simply click on MySQL downloads. If you click on that, you will get this kind of interface over here. If you just select the download section and if you just simply scroll down a little bit, and after that you will get the option called MySQL Community GPL Downloads. If you click on that, and from here we will going to select this MySQL Community Server over here. So if you click on that, then you will get this kind of interface over here. And from here you just need to select the version. So 9.1.0 is the latest innovation. So if you click on that and select the operating system, and then from here you just need to select Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to go for MSI installer. So if I going to click on the download, they will require you to the login now or sign up for the free account. So we don't want to go for that. We will just want to go for this no thanks, just start my download. If you click on that, you will see the download will be started and it will take some of seconds to download. And now you can see after completing the download, what you can see, if you just click on it 2 times and going to minimize the browser, you will get MySQL Server 9.1 setup wizard over here. So from here, you just need to simply click on next, click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click next. After that, from here, there is 3 options. Choose setup type: typical, custom, and complete. We will going to download all the features that are required to using MySQL. So click on the complete, click install, and it will automatically installing MySQL Server 9.1. So it will take some seconds to install or download. Maybe sometime it will require a lot of time, but don't be worried, don't be panic. You are in the right position for downloading this option. There will be a permission, click yes, and then you will see it will be downloaded very fast. And you can see that complete this MySQL setup wizard is done. After that, you will get an option over here, run MySQL configurator. So if you just click on finish, it will automatically start the MySQL configurator.exe. Click yes for the permission. And after a short time, MySQL configurator will be opened. And from here, you just need to click on next. And there will be a data directory. If there is no good reason to change it, then please don't make any changes, just leave it as default. And after that, click next. After that, from here, if you just leave it as default, then click next, you will get account and roles over here. And from here, you just need to select MySQL root password. So you just need to create a root password. So I'm going to create an easy root password. I'm going to repeat it over here. And then there will be an option MySQL user account. If you want to add a user account, then click on add user, click the user name. So we're going to name it as user. And if you want to give them the role backup admin DB manager, what you can want to give that, you can give it as well. So I'm going to give it as DB admin and going to give the password, root password that I was given right now, and I'm going to confirm the password as same. And you can see that is weak, but if you want to give it a strong password, you can do it as well. And then what you can do, just click OK, click next, leave it as it is, click next, and going to select this yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows service, click next. And please check this too, because it will help you to get your create Sakila database and create world database, and then click next. After that, if you click on the execute, it will going one by one confirmation from your computer. So wait a little bit. And you can see after complete the configuration, you will get option called next. If you click on that, you can simply copy log to the clipboard. If you don't want to, then click on finish. And now what you will going to do, we're going to start icon and going for all. And now we will going to search for MySQL. You will get this over here. Click on that and going to open MySQL 9.1 command line client. If you click on that, it will open the MySQL command line over here, and here you just need to give the root password that you created. Click enter now, and you will get this kind of interface over here. You can see there is an option called type help for /h for help, or type C for clear the current input statement. So I'm going to give the slash and click yes and click enter. You will get the help desk over here. And now if you want to create any server, you can do it as well. But yeah, this is how you can simply download MySQL into your Windows operating system, and this is how you can use it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.